Best foods for high blood pressure. Hypertension or high blood pressure is the most common preventable risk factor for heart disease. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure. Medications, including angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or ACE inhibitors, are commonly used to reduce blood pressure levels. However, lifestyle changes, including dietary modifications, can help lower blood pressure levels to optimal ranges and reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart healthy diet is suggested for all people with high blood pressure, including those on blood pressure lowering medications. A healthy diet is essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining optimal levels, including certain foods in your diet, especially those high in specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, reduces your blood pressure levels. Best foods for high blood pressure. Number one, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including grapefruit, oranges, and lemons, have powerful blood pressure lowering effects. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that help keep your heart healthy by reducing heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Daily lemon juice intake combined with walking is significantly correlated with reduction in systolic blood pressure and is attributed to the citric acid, and flavonoid content of lemons. Drinking orange and grapefruit juice help reduce blood pressure. Number 2, salmon and other fatty fish. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega 3 fats which have significant heart health benefits. These fats help reduce blood pressure levels by reducing inflammation and decreasing levels of blood vessel constricting compounds called oxylipins. Research has linked higher intakes of omega 3 rich fatty fish to lower blood pressure levels. Those with highest blood levels of omega 3 fats had significantly lower systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure than those with the lowest blood levels of these fats. Higher omega 3 intake has also been associated with lower risk of hypertension. Number 3, Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green that's packed with blood pressure regulating nutrients, including potassium and magnesium. One cup of cooked chard delivers 17% and 30% of your daily potassium and magnesium needs, respectively. In people with high blood pressure, one cup of Swiss chard packs 792 milligram of this compound important nutrient. Magnesium is also essential for blood pressure regulation. It helps reduce blood pressure through several mechanisms, including by acting as a natural calcium channel blocker, which blocks the movement of calcium into heart and arterial cells, allowing blood vessels to relax. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They are a concentrated source of nutrients important for blood pressure control, including magnesium, potassium, and arginine, an amino acid needed for the production of nitric oxide, which is essential for blood vessel relaxation and blood pressure reduction. Pumpkin seed oil has also been shown to be powerful natural remedy for high blood pressure. 5. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure such as fiber, magnesium and potassium. Numerous studies have shown that eating beans and lentils help lower high blood pressure levels. Beans and lentils significantly lower systolic blood pressure and average blood pressure levels in people with and without hypertension. Berries. Berries have been associated with a variety of impressive health benefits, including their potential to reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Berries are a rich source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are pigments that give berries their vibrant color. Anthocyanins have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood and reduce production of blood vessel restricting molecules, which help reduce blood pressure levels. However, blueberries, raspberries, chokeberries, cloudberries, and strawberries are just Some of the berries that have been associated with blood pressure lowering effects. Amaranth. Eating whole grain like amaranth helps lower your blood pressure levels. Diets rich in whole grain decrease your risk of high blood pressure. 30 grams per day increase in whole grains leads to 8% reduction of high blood pressure levels. Amaranth is a whole grain that particularly high in magnesium. One cooked cup of amaranth provides 38% of your daily magnesium needs. Number 8, pistachios. Pistachios are highly nutritious and their consumption has been linked to healthy blood pressure levels. They are high in number of nutrients essential for heart health and blood pressure regulation, including potassium. Among all the nuts, pistachio intake have strong effect on reducing both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Carrots. Crunchy, sweet, and nutritious, carrots are a staple veggie in many people's diet. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds such as chlorogenic, paracumaric, and caffeic acid that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which help lower blood pressure levels. Although carrots can be enjoyed cooked or raw, eating them raw are more beneficial for reducing blood pressure levels. Daily intake of 16 ounce of fresh carrot juice for 3 months led to the reduction in systolic blood pressure. 10. Celery. Celery is a popular vegetable that have positive effects on blood pressure. It contains compounds called phthalides, which help relax blood vessels and lowering blood pressure levels. Associated with carrot intake, with cooked celery intake is significantly associated with reduced blood pressure levels. 11. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products are rich in many nutrients, including potassium and the carotenoid pigment lycopene. Lycopene has been significantly associated with beneficial effects on heart health, and eating foods high in this nutrient, such as tomato products, help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Consuming tomatoes and tomato products improve blood pressure and help reduce your risk of heart disease and heart disease related deaths. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is known for its many beneficial effects on health, including the health of your circulatory system. For example, adding this cruciferic veggie to your diet is a smart way of reducing blood pressure. Broccoli is related with flavonoid antioxidants, which help lower blood pressure by enhancing blood vessel function and increasing nitric oxide levels in your body. People who consume 4 or more servings of broccoli per week had lower risk of high blood pressure than those who consumed only once a month. 13. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutritious, rich, dense dairy product that packed with minerals that help regulate blood pressure, including potassium and calcium. Consuming 3 servings of dairy per day was associated with 13% lower risk of high blood pressure, as well as 7 ounce increase in dairy intake per day was associated with 5% reduction in hypertension risk. 14. Herbs and spices. Celery seed, cilantro, saffron, lemongrass, black cumin, ginseng, cinnamon, cardamom, sweet basil, and ginger are just some of the herbs and spices that have been shown to have blood pressure lowering potentials. 15. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are tiny seeds that are teeming with nutrients that are essential for healthy blood pressure regulation, including potassium, magnesium, and fiber. People with high blood pressure found that supplementing with 35 grams of chia seed flour per day lead to the blood pressure reduction in both medicated and unmedicated people. Eating flaxseed help lower blood pressure level, especially when consumed in their whole seed form for 12 weeks or longer. 16. Beets, beet green, and beet juice. Beets and beet greens are exceptionally nutritious, and eating them help prompt healthy blood pressure levels. They have high in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Adding beet and beet products to your diet help promote healthy blood pressure levels. People with high blood pressure found that consuming both 8.4 ounce of beet juice and 8.8 ounce of cooked beet significantly reduced blood pressure, although it found that the beet juice was more effective. The effects of beet on blood pressure are short-lived. Nevertheless, beet juice, and beet greens are all highly nutritious and help improve overall health when added to your diet. 17. Spinach. Like beets, spinach is a high in nitrates. It is also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, magnesium, making it an excellent choice for people with high blood pressure. People who consume 16.9 ounces of highly nitrate spinach soup daily for 7 days experienced a reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure comparing with those who consumed low nitrates asparagus soup. The spinach soup is also decreased artery stiffness, which help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. The bottom line is that, along with other lifestyle modifications, adopting a healthy diet can significantly lower blood pressure levels and help reduce your heart disease risks. Adding certain foods like leafy greens, berries, beans, lentils, seeds, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and carrots to your meal and snacks help you reach and maintain optimal blood pressure levels.